What is Adult Protective Services, APS, and how do they intervene? Imagine a safety net designed to catch those who might fall through the cracks. That's what Adult Protective Services, or APS, does for vulnerable adults. Every state has a program like this, aimed at protecting adults who can't fully care for themselves. These adults are often seniors or people with disabilities that make daily tasks difficult. APS's main goal is to keep these individuals safe, healthy, and as independent as possible. APS steps in when there are signs of harm or danger. They look into reports of abuse, which can include physical harm like hitting or pushing, emotional abuse such as threats or insults, or even confinement against someone's will. Neglect is another concern, where caregivers fail to provide essentials like food, water, medication, or proper hygiene. Exploitation involves someone taking money or property through coercion or manipulation. When someone suspects abuse or neglect, they can call a hotline, send an online report, or contact local authorities. APS then reviews the report to see if the adult qualifies for help. They check if the person has a disability or condition that makes self-care difficult. If the report is valid, APS begins an investigation. This involves visiting the person, talking to them, and gathering evidence to understand what's happening. If APS finds that harm is happening or could happen, they act quickly. They may arrange for emergency services such as medical care, home health visits, or temporary shelter. They also work with other professionals like law enforcement, healthcare providers, and legal experts to develop a plan. The goal is to stop the abuse or neglect while respecting the adult's rights and wishes. APS uses the least restrictive options to protect adults. This might mean providing support services or supervising care rather than removing someone from their home. They also help with financial issues, like recovering stolen money or setting up guardianship if needed. In elder law, APS is a key partner in defending seniors' rights. They help ensure that older adults are not only safe but also treated with dignity and respect. Legal professionals often work with APS when establishing guardianships or protecting against financial exploitation. Understanding how APS operates helps families and caregivers advocate for their loved ones and ensure they get the help they need. Overall, Adult Protective Services serve as a vital safety net, stepping in to protect those who cannot protect themselves and making sure they live with dignity and safety.